Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to do a card trick that was performed by Fernando Alonso, the double Formula 1 World Racing Champion, on the BBC prior to the 2011 German Grand Prix. The trick, or Fernando's performance of the trick, can be seen on YouTube, and I've put a link in the information below to his performance, which I would suggest you have a look at before going any further with this video. I will do the trick before showing you how to do it. It involves using 3 cards. We have 2 10 of hearts and an ace of hearts. Now the ace of hearts is on top. I'm going to move the ace of hearts to the bottom. So the ace of hearts on the bottom, but no, it's the 10 of hearts on the bottom. Okay. Now the second 10 of hearts is on the top, which must mean that the middle card is the ace. But no, that's the 10 of hearts as well. You're thinking I'm cheating using 3 10s, but no, the ace of hearts is on the bottom where I originally put it. Now the curious thing is, there's also an ace of hearts on top and an ace of hearts in the middle. You're thinking that maybe I'm using 6 cards, 3 10s and 3 aces, but no, I'm using 1, 2, 3 cards. We have a 10 of hearts, we have an ace of hearts. What do we think the third card is? A 10 or an ace? No, just the joker. Now this trick is a derivation of the famous this, that and the other trick, which you can probably find how to do on YouTube or see demonstrations of on YouTube. In fact, I know you can because I have seen them. Now how you set these cards up is you have the joker on top, the 10 in the middle and the ace at the bottom. Now when Fernando says he's got 2 10s, he obviously does the trick a lot better than I did, because I saw lots of little flaws when I did that just now. But he flicks the top 2 cards over to make it look like he's taking 1 card and shows a 10 of hearts. He then places down the joker onto the deck and shows his second 10 of hearts. And finally he shows his ace of hearts. He then shows that the top card is the ace of hearts and moves it to the bottom by effectively pushing the top 2 cards down, taking the 10 and the ace, taking the 10 and the ace and putting them on the bottom, so that when he asks Lee what's on the bottom, or shows Lee what's on the bottom, she sees a 10 when she would otherwise be expecting to see an ace. What he then does is he makes a small grip in the cards, grabbing the middle card and also at the same time grabbing the top card and the bottom card and flipping both those cards over as one to show the 10 of hearts now appearing as if it's on top. I'll just show that again. So you've got the joker on top, you've got the 10 of hearts on the bottom, the ace in the middle, holding the ace of hearts that's in the middle and firm, and gripping the joker and the 10, the top card and the bottom card, simultaneously. Quickly turn them over to make it look like the 10 of hearts is now on top. When you flip those 2 cards back over, the joker and the 10, obviously trying to hide the joker, the 10 of hearts is now obviously in the middle position. He then says to Lee that she may be thinking that he's using 3 10s, and shows that the ace is on the bottom, saying that that is where he originally put it in the first place. He then does the same little gripping technique to move the ace to the top by grabbing the joker and the ace. The joker was the card in the top position then, to show that there looks like there's an ace on top now. When he flicks them over, the ace is then obviously in the middle position. He then says that she may be thinking that he's using more than 3 cards, but he says no, and he counts them down. 1, 2, 3. He then reveals a card. It is important that you reveal the card you laid down last first, because that is the 10. Then the second to last card, or the card you laid down in the middle, which will show to be the ace. And finally he prompts Lee to guess whether it is a 10 or an ace, the final card, and proves to be a joker. Quite a nice easy trick to do, takes a little bit of practice, and I think I need to brush up on my little performance skills at doing it there. But as I say, it's a derivation of the this, that and the other trick, and you can find variations of that on YouTube. Thanks so much.